This is my first Matrix. Got it back when it was brand new. It's completely stock, as you can see. I love this gun. I'd never sell it or trade it. This is a stock rail. It's my friend's. I hold it for them for when we go play paintball. See? Amazing little guns for the price. This is my new PM6 45 ultralight. Very fast. You ready? Did you get it?
Barely. You jumped her out.
Yeah, I think she just cut off. Well, she's breathing black smoke now. Just digging.
I wish I could zoom in far enough to get his face. Oh. Got a picture of him bogging out. Red light on the camera means that it's very ticked off. That wasn't good. Was it?
Something's wrong with your front tire, man. You guys are gonna have to do that again.
Do what again?
I forgot to press the record button until after you guys had passed me.
Ah.
You okay with doing it again?
Yeah.
You guys gotta do it again.
Why?
I didn't press the record button until you guys were past me. Line it up.
Line up. Oh, goodness.
It was very scary being in the middle.
Oh, well. I'm here to take some pictures. I gotta take some pictures.
Paul! Back up. Oh! Oh. Forward a little bit. We'll go ask him what he said.
Ralph says don't hit the mud. Yeah, go around it.
If you can.
Alright,
Alright.
Step back. I gotta take a glamour picture.
Hurry up, Tim. Oops. Alright, now somebody needs to come back and get me.
What about me?